George McDermott here, MarylandCourtWatch.com and SecretJustice.com. I just left the U.S. Court of Bankruptcy Court here in Greenbelt. This is the 26th day of January 2011, where I filed a motion with the Bankruptcy Court on behalf of Douglas E. Willard, case number 10-19227, and to Judge Nancy V. Alquist, and another case involving 10-16789, also Judge Alquist, alerting the court that a fraud has taken place in their court, and that the bank, Cecil Bank and Trust Company and their attorneys are committing an open fraud on the court and trying to steal the victims, the properties of these people under color of law and authority, and using forged documents, fraudulently notarized documents, outright extortion, and conspiracy by and between the officers and directors of the bank and the alleged the gangster attorneys that they employ. I stopped by Congressman Steny Hoyer's office on my way out and asked to have a meeting with him, and this was his executive offices here at Greenbelt, 6500 Cherrywood Lane, Suite 310. That's inside the courthouse. And they gave me this form to fill out so that I can ask for assistance with the for Sam and all the victims up, Sam and Doug, Thomas Armor, Deborah Williams, and Mark Tomey, all the victims I filmed on Sunday. These people have a right to be heard, Senator, and it's time that, you know, your aide up there gave me this. What said you didn't have any cards because everything was being reprinted, but you have an obligation when you took oath of office this January to uphold and defend the constitutional rights of these citizens. Do it. I'll be down on Capitol Hill on hopefully by Thursday of this week on the 27th, petitioning all the members of the Maryland delegation for an investigation into having Cecil Bank and Trust Company out of Cecil County shut down for fraud on the court and for fraud on its clients. And I've asked that the U.S. trustee and the judge refer this matter for a criminal investigation under 18 U.S.C. 3057 of the United States Criminal Code. And all their testimonies are on SecretJustice.com, programs 114, 111, 112, 113, 114, 141, 259, 260, 261, and 262. If you need any more evidence than that, Justice Department or FBI, you're in trouble. You're probably just like the Bar Counsel for Maryland. You know, he couldn't recognize a fraud if his life depended on it. But I'll take him on appeal. So God bless and have a good day. George McDermott signing off from the land of the scam and the home of the fraud, Greenbelt Courthouse, Greenbelt, Maryland. United States Courthouse. George McDermott here. It's the 23rd day of January 2011. I'm here with another citizen of Cecil County, Maryland, Tom Armor. I understand that you have a horse ranch farm up here in Cecil County, and you've had some problems with the Cecil County legal system and justice and Cecil County Bank. Am I wrong?
Yes.
Well, if you could explain to the viewing public what your...
My problem is I got in business with Willard, attorney in Elkton. About as crooked as they come. Anyway, we bought it'll be $800,000. It'll be $400,000 for me. There's no way I can absorb $400,000. And he said, well, I'm going to put up my properties for the other $400,000. He says, I got some properties, I just borrowed money from Cecil and pay him back on it. I said, well...
Excuse me. He already had his property. You said earlier he had already pledged his properties.
Well, there was no record of him pledging them. I come to find out, after all this blew up, that there was nothing of his pledge.
He in other words, the bank officers and he got together to do a sham deal on you.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. This is typical of Cecil Banks. Every stockholder who has stock in Cecil Bank should run immediately to the bank tomorrow and cash in your stock, because this stock is...
Immediately.
Its validity and its value is seriously in question. And from what testimony I've heard prior to this, you've got the FBI involved now. Now you've got the Maryland Attorney General. Now you've got the Banking Commission out of Richmond, Virginia, looking into it. Yeah, if it was me, folks, I'd be running up to the cash my stock in first thing in the morning. So
don't have a line of credit there, because they'll take that if they want it.
Okay, well let's continue. Who have you contacted about that? Well, go ahead and finish, and then tell me who you contacted for help.
Well, then